negative charge capturing battery. This charging indicator. From this we have the starter coil, this switching unit, an indicator for the switch. Now this you are seeing here is something I call a magnetic energy amplifier. These are the two platforms, two wires. The only connection this stuff has with this is just infused EMF, because we have a rotating flywheel with magnets, and this is the reason why this flywheel is so moving. I want to show you something we have discovered. This system probably is something we need to study and investigate how and why this effect is happening here. If we understand this concept, it will bring a big boost to this maglev train technology, because we are looking at a system that improves the overall efficiency of this rotating flywheel without affecting the energy input of this whole system. We are taught that free energy is impossible, but from this setup and from this experiment, we can prove to you that there is, and it is certainly possible to create energy from the environment. The environment is filled with energy, and when you learn how to harness it, you can use a small amount of energy to trigger a huge output that will surpass the input. So let's get this thing started and observe what will happen. As we short this coil, you will begin to feel the effect. Now the coil has been short. Observe what is happening. As you can see, there is a massive increase in the speed of this flywheel as a result of the energy or the whatsoever that is happening within this coil. And whatsoever that is happening there is independent of this source. The source is not affected, and another thing we observe is that as the speed increases, it reduces the current drawn by this motor from the source battery. There is a huge reduction over 50% energy drop with 50% speed increase. And as the speed increases, you'll find out that the driving torque or the driving force of this tend to increase. And this effect is independent of the source. This energy is energy created within the magnetic environment, and instead of reducing the motion, it is aiding the motion, increasing the force and improving the overall efficiency of this system. So this is the first version of this experiment. We want to expand this and see where we can take this thing to. Remember, the maglev train will be improved when this concept is integrated into it. So let's look into it. We want to hear we want to feel your vibes, your comments as we experiment and as we expand this concept into its usable form and using it as a stepping stone to achieve what we are looking for. Thank you from Jeff Green Energy Concept.